अब महारानी जी आपको क्या समस्या है, इससे बताइए खड़े होके। आपको क्या परेशानी है?
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग।
बताइए
sir, you are giving translation which is most welcome for the languages which are the state languages, official state languages. Can you tell me which state official language is Sanskrit? Why are you wasting taxpayers' money, which the language is not even communicable? It's not even communicated in any of the states in India, and nobody is speaking. Sir, the population survey in 2011 said only 73,000 people are speaking, supposed to be speaking. Sir, when that's the data, why should the taxpayers' money be wasted because of your RSS ideologies?
अब माननीय सदस्य, आप दुनिया के किस देश में रह रहे हो? ये भारत है और भारत की मूल भाषा संस्कृत रही है, और इसीलिए हमने कहा 22 भाषाओं में, केवल संस्कृत में नहीं कहा। आपको संस्कृत की क्यों आपत्ति हुई? आपको संस्कृत भाषा की क्यों आपत्ति हुई? आपको हिंदी में आपत्ति हो, आपको संस्कृत में भाषा हो। भारत में 22 भाषाएं हैं जो संसद में मान्यता प्राप्त है, और 22 भाषाओं में होगी, संस्कृत में भी होगी और हिंदी में भी होगी। माननीय सदस्यगण, मुझे माननीय सदस्यों द्वारा कुछ विषयों पर स्थगन प्रस्ताव की सूचना प्राप्त हुई है। मैंने स्थगन प्रस्ताव की किसी सूचना के लिए अनुमति प्रदान नहीं की गई है। आज जो लिस्टेड 0 ओवर है, जिनके नाम आए हैं, उनको बोलने की अनुमति दी जाएगी। और अगर आप शून्यकाल नहीं चलाने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो फिर बजट पे चर्चा करा सकता हूं। ये विषय मेरे ध्यान में आ गया है और मैंने इसकी व्यवस्था कर दी गई है। आप शून्यकाल में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है, बजट पे चर्चा शुरू करा दूं। 0 ओवर होगा लिस्टेड, और शांति से बैठोगे तो शून्यकाल चलेगा, अशांति से बैठोगे तो नहीं चलेगा। जाइए बेटे, जाइए बैठिए, जाके बैठिए आप अपनी अपनी सीटों पे। ऐसे नहीं है, ये संसद है, संसद को संसद की गरिमा से चलने दीजिए। बैठ जाइए आप, बैठिए बैठिए, बीच बीच में नहीं उठते हैं ऐसे, ठीक है ना। कुछ मर्यादा बनाने की परंपराओं को शुरू करो, इसकी गरिमा बना के रखो। लिस्टेड आएगा, लिस्टेड के आज भी जो चेयर पे बैठेंगे उपयुक्त होगा, कोई गंभीर विषय होगा तो बात करेंगे। सभा पटल पर रखे जाने वाले पत्र आइटम नंबर 2, प्लीज बैठ जाइए, बैठ जाइए, बैठिए बैठिए, बैठिए बैठिए, बैठिए प्लीज, बैठिए बैठिए बैठिए, आप भी बैठिए बैठिए। आप मुझे मिल गया, मैंने व्यवस्था कर दी उसकी, ठीक है ना, व्यवस्था दे दी, प्लीज बैठिए।
An issue which is affecting the entire fisher folk of this country, basically, especially in Kerala. Sir, Premachandran rightly pointed out his constituency Koilon and my constituency Alapura also going to be an affected area. Sir, basically, the fishermen in this country are in a very serious situation. Their livelihood is in trouble. They are not in a position to live either. Then this attitude of sand mining is also created further trouble for the fishermen. Sir, their livelihood is going to be affected. Now, sir, this is going to be a very serious issue. Kerala is going for a hartal against this decision. Entire fisherman is going to participate in that. Therefore, I think government has to withdraw this order, sir, immediately. Government has to withdraw this order to save the fishermen, to save the environment, to save the sea of this country. Sir.
Your point. Sir, T.R. Baluji.
Sir.
Please, just you associate yourself. Please.
Sir, I will also mention about the sad and...
Anybody wants to associate on this notice, so now he can give in writing to the table for just and that will be treated as associate.
Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Sir, actually, last year in 2024, more than 528 incidents has taken place. This year, within 40 days, more than 77 incidents taken place. They acquires the fishermen. The Sri Lankan Navy acquires the fishermen. Taken away the proceeds and taken to jail for detention.
What is your demand? Just sir, put your demand.
You have to allow me to tell, sir.
Sir, tell you that, sir.
Please ask. Sir,
on one notice, on one notice, I have given 3.
So don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. You should allow the member to speak.
I have already
given. Not only it is. I am not.
What is the tradition?
I am not speaking only for you. I am speaking for my people.
You can only associate, na? You can only associate. Otherwise,
sir, last year more than 528 such incidents taken place, and this year within 40 days more than 77 incidents also taken place. See, the Sri Lankan Navy enter into our land, our waters, our Indian waters. They shoot the people. On 27, they will shoot 2 fishermen. And on 8 February, they have detained more than 14 people. The Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has returned to the Honorable Chief Minister of External Affairs, Mr. Jaishankar, taking clue of the 87 fishermen and 216 fishermen boat were still in the custody of Sri Lanka. So, say the government of Tamil Nadu, the government of India is not at all caring about it. They are simply keep lukewarm. So this situation is not, it should not be avoided. And both the communities in Sri Lanka as well as Tamil Nadu, they should be taken together as it has been happened in 2016 November, so that they can discuss themselves. If the government is not able to settle the issue, let them settle themselves so that things can be...
Advocate Francis George Casey. Advocate Francis George Casey.
Sir, I rise today with a heavy heart to draw the attention of the House to a very serious issue
you
that
can associate, you can give in writing.
communal harmony and social unity in our country.